No charges left.
Reloading.
Time to jump.
Reloading.
Last player standing.
Night John.
Drop the
No
spike.
charges left.
I got the spike. Reloading.
Reloading.
Here.
Enemy in attack spawn.
Grenade behind me.
Someone is B.
Reload.
Our spike carriers down.
What the
Spike
fuck?
down, attacker spawn.
Reloading.
Last player standing.
It has gone through to him. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! It's in! All too easy. They are in danger of disappearing out of sight.
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
Cristiano Ronaldo! You can get that clear. It's a decent looking cross. Up he gets! They are rampant! Hot knife through butter. They have done it again. An absolute gem of a cross. It made the header simple.
Yeah, I just thought he wanted that more than anyone else on the pitch, and it was fully deserved. He gave it everything he had.
switched on. We gotta move now! Jammer's 500 meters north. We'll leg it from here. Let's go! Bridge truck, you up? We're good. Any station, any station! They're out of options. Tactical withdrawal to supplementary positions.
Not bad, Tyler, but you're still gonna lose.
I already won. You just don't know it yet.
First to the airfield wins. You didn't say nothing about roads. I'll be waiting for you guys at the garage.
I thought this was supposed to be a friendly race.
This is us being friendly.
Last one washes Rap's cars. This is serious business.
I haven't seen Max this excited since the Veneto job.
Aren't you?
Biggest job we've ever done? You bet I am.
Time to kick this up a notch.
That was a sick jump. Bel-Air, honey, let's make you fly. Yeah! We are cleared for takeoff. Sorry for being so awesome.
Fine, I was just going easy on you. You might even be ahead if you weren't such a show-off.
She's not wrong.
Mac?
You done the impossible, Jet. You shut up Mac.
Shaking my head in disapproval.
Still think you're winning, Ty?
I am winning.
I don't see you in front.
The finish is where it counts.
Nice moves.
Don't expect that to work next time.
Always one step ahead, buddy.
Yeah.
Imperial forces have to be so
Did you find what it was you were looking for? That's why you agreed to help put down the yellow turbans, right?
Indeed. Though I served as an official in Luoyang, I never really saw the plight of the people. However, the world is in more trouble than I ever anticipated. Rebels that are targeting the village. Xiahou Dun, Xiahou Yuan, come with me.
Now's our chance to attack the village! Let's go, you rebel!
Who might you be, eh? You got guts picking a fight with the yellow turbans.
So, say yay! So, ho, say yay! Say yo, say hey! Yo, ha! Say ho, yay!
So, you really want to get in the way of the yellow turbans? In that case, you'll have to deal with my quick feet and my strong arms.
Say hey! Impressive, cousin. You truly are the one that will conquer this land.
I tire of you.
You think you're done? The fuck are you thinking? For the wolf to survive, it's gotta chew off its own leg. Fire! Negative, don't do it! Now, Wrecker, shoot out the window! That's an order! Don't you fucking do it, Wrecker! Save yourselves. Get out of here. Get out of here! Fucking bullshit, man, you hear me? Shoot out the window or you all die! If you're the man I think you are, you know what you have to do.
Tombstone, on the move. Fortress, this is Tombstone Actual. We got the package, but stirred up a hornet's nest. Moving towards extraction.
Roger that, Tombstone. Helo's inbound. Get your squad in position. Out.
Open fire!
Signal and we'll shoot the target.
Careful! We're in the side room! Down ready!
Flushed up, but I'm up.
No way around. Get down there.